Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review and Happy New Year 2025. This will be the first watch to review this year and it's another Casio, so let's do the unboxing and also first impression. Okay, and yes, it comes with this blue box in my country, but maybe in other country it will be different. And here we have the manual book and so on. Okay, module code 3518. And here's the watch. So yes, the seller is kind enough to add this bubble wrap to protect the watch case and also the crystal. Nice. And here it is, Casio WS1500H. Here's the tag. It shows 10 year and then 100th of a second for the stopwatch, dual time, and then alarm, 100 meters water resistant, LED backlight, moon data, and fishing level. Okay, about the shape, it's rounded and it's a bit chunky. Let me compare to the AE1500. So it's almost the same size, but with the larger digit on the AE1500. And then the thickness and also the diameter is almost similar. See? And also the strap design is the same with the AE1500. It has 4 buttons on the left and right side with texture. Okay, feels nice for the grip. And then this is the strap detail. And here's the back plate. And now let's take a look at the display. On the top left side is this LCA, and the size is almost the same as the AE1000, so nice, quite large. And then on the top right side is the fish level graph. I haven't used any of this. Okay. And then the next one, this is the moon graph or moon phase graph. And below that is the time, hour, minute, second, and this is the day, month, and date. So yes, it's not set up correctly from the seller, but that's okay, I can set it later. So now it should be January the 1st and 12:41 for the time, but it's okay. And yes, let's see the menu or the modes. So this one is the timekeeping mode. And then this one is, okay, the moon graph. So if I press this, it should change the day and also the moon phase. Nice. And let's see, okay, we cannot use the light button to change the day for this one. And then if I press this one, it should change to fish graph. Okay, so meaning that I think this one means that the fish will be easier to get in this time, but it will be less after that, and so on. Okay, nice. And then the next mode is this one, the stopwatch. Okay, reset using this one. And then the next one is the countdown timer. Okay, range up to 24 hours. And let's see, okay, we can set the hour and minute. Also it has this auto repeat feature. Nice. And then the next mode is the alarm. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and this one is the signal. So nice, 3 alarms and 1 hourly signal. And the alarm is multifunction alarm. As you can see here, it has this setting for the month and date, so not only hour and minute. Okay, and then next, this one is the dual time. I heard that this model is one of the release from Casio that had problem with the dual time. So let's see if it's already corrected or not. Okay, okay, still not updated. So maybe this is an old stock in the shop, or maybe their stock management is not good. But anyway, if you are looking for this model, then I would suggest you to go to the store and check if it's already the corrected one. This one is still not showing the PM time for the dual time. And here's the backlight on the lower left and right of the display. Quite bright, Okay, and here's how it looks on my wrist. That is slightly under 7 inch. It's a bit chunky and large, but anyway, the strap grips well. Okay, and yes, that's all for now. I will make a more detailed review and also tutorials for this watch. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.